Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Dr. Teeth. I hope that you all are safe in this pandemic. Today we are going to learn about the correct method of brushing. A lot of people ask me what toothpaste they should use or what toothbrush they should use. But I always tell them that it is the brushing technique that is the most important thing, apart from choosing the correct brush and the toothpaste, of course. So in this video, I will be sharing some important techniques that you need to follow while brushing your teeth. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and also let me know in the comment section below if you have any queries. So let's get started. Oh, hi. So you clicked on this video because you want to learn something related to dentistry. Well, you are on the right place. I am Dr. Hina, the voice and soul behind Dr. Teeth. And this is the platform where we make learning interesting and incredibly easy for you. So do leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will recommend you to join channel membership to watch our premium videos. You can also visit our website for online classes, courses, MCQs. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have our model. And on this model, I will be demonstrating the brushing technique that we need to follow. We need to remember a few important points, like we have to brush our teeth twice a day, not once. We have to brush our teeth twice a day, and we have to use a brush having soft bristles. And you can choose the size and shape of the brush according to your mouth size so that the head can reach all the areas. Remember to replace your brush at least every 3 to 4 months or whenever you see your bristles getting worn off. So replace it, it's very important. Coming to the toothpaste, we can use any fluoridated toothpaste. Remember, you don't have to use any abrasive toothpaste that will harm your teeth and may cause abrasion and sensitivity. Remember to floss regularly because by brushing, not all the plaque is removed. The plaque in the interdental areas are very difficult to remove by brushing. So you need to use a floss as well. And also we have to brush for 2 minutes. 2 minutes in the morning and 2 minutes in the night. Now let us see the most accepted technique of brushing, that is the modified Bass technique. Here we have to place the bristles of a brush at 45-degree angle to the gingiva. So let us start brushing. We will start from the most posterior, that is the most farthest tooth. And we will try to brush not more than 3 teeth together. So the bristles will be kept at 45 degrees and small back and forth vibratory motions will be used. About 20 strokes will be done like this. Then the bristles will be swept over the teeth towards the occlusal surface. Okay, so 20 strokes back and forth vibratory motion and then swipe it towards the occlusal surface. We will take the next 3 set of teeth and so on. We will cover all the facial surface, that is the outer surface of our upper teeth and the lower teeth. Now coming to the lingual surface. For the lingual surface, you can change the position of your brush so that the thinnest side of the head goes in, and we will repeat the same thing, short back and forth vibratory motion. Coming to the occlusal surface, the bristles of the brush will be placed parallel to the long axis of the tooth. Short back and forth motion will be done. Coming to the lingual surface, that is the inside surface of the molar teeth. The bristles of a brush will be again at 45 degrees and we will make vibratory motion back and forth 20 strokes and then we will sweep it occlusally. Okay. Coming to the palatal surface, we'll take a brush and insert it again vertically and do back and forth motion. Coming to the lingual surface, that is the internal surface of these posterior teeth. Again, the bristles will be placed at 45 degrees and 3 teeth at a time. We will do vibratory motion back and forth 20 strokes and then occlusal sweeping. So the advantage of this technique is that here we get excellent cleaning of the sulcus and also good interproximal and gingival cleaning. Also, since the bristles are in touch with the gingiva, we also have a good gingival stimulation. The only drawback could be for some people who lack dexterity of using their wrist. If you have any problem like arthritis or old age, so those people might not be able to do this technique properly. Now, as I told you, we have to do brushing for 2 minutes at least, twice a day. And after brushing, you also have to do flossing, and also you have to clean your tongue. You can use circular motion. We usually have tongue cleaners at the back of the head of the brush. So you can use that with circular motion. From posterior to anterior, you can clean your tongue. That will prevent bad breath. So I hope you found the video helpful. Also, the technique of brushing in children is different from that of adult. If you want me to explain that as well, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.